Today, we're diving into the Canare F-Type 75 ohm coaxial cable featuring Belden 1694A RG6, a top choice for anyone serious about their audiovisual setup. Designed for professional broadcast applications, this cable isn't just for TV and satellite. It's a versatile powerhouse capable of enhancing your entire home entertainment system. First off, let's talk durability. This cable boasts an 18 AWG solid copper center conductor, wrapped in a dual copper braided shield. This not only makes it flexible and strong, but also provides excellent shielding against interference. Whether indoors or outdoors, its CMR rating ensures safety and reliability. Perfect for vertical installations where fire spread prevention is crucial. Performance-wise, the Canare F-Type doesn't disappoint. It supports a wide range of video signals, including analog and digital, up to 6 gigabits per second data transfer speeds. This means smooth, uninterrupted viewing and distribution of high-definition content across multiple devices, from TVs and cable boxes to modems and routers. What sets this cable apart is its construction quality. Manufactured by Custom Cable Connection, a trusted name in the industry since 2002, each cable undergoes rigorous testing to meet professional standards. Made with USA source materials, you can count on its longevity and performance. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best coaxial cable for HD video distribution, the Canare F-Type 75 ohm coaxial cable with Belden 1694A RG6 is your go-to choice. It combines robust construction, superior shielding, and unmatched performance, making it a solid investment for any home or professional audiovisual setup.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.